A box hierarchy is a tree-like structure that organizes your projects, programs, and portfolios, much like folders and subfolders on your computer. You can view the box hierarchy in the Overview module. This module offers you 3 different ways to view your box structure: hierarchy, timeline, and Kanban board. Moreover, you can sort your box hierarchy view by different columns, or arrange the box order manually. How much of the box hierarchy you can see depends on the security role assigned by your admin. If you were not granted access to a project, it would be hidden from your view. Security roles are always inherited top-down, from a parent to its children. For example, if you're the admin of a portfolio box, you are automatically the admin of all the boxes in that portfolio. Similarly, if you are the box editor of the root box, all the boxes below the root box inherit your role as their editor. The root box, named Home by default, is at the top. This box is the parent for all boxes in your organization and provides the highest level overview of the hierarchy. The boxes below the root box can be nested on multiple levels. For instance, a portfolio box can hold multiple projects, each of which may have its own subcomponents. The Safe Art project, in this example, can be organized into program increments, which are further broken down into iterations or sprints. Boxes can be arranged in different ways depending on the app settings, which you can adjust as needed to better reflect your workflow. When you open a box, its name is displayed in the left upper corner at all times, no matter which module you are viewing. In the Overview module, you will see the part of the entire box hierarchy that is applicable only to the selected box. You can switch between those boxes by clicking them. To navigate back to the parent box, use the breadcrumbs located next to the box name. To view the full box hierarchy again, click the Home icon. This will return you to the root-level box hierarchy. Alternatively, use the box switcher and select the box at the top of the list. In short, the box hierarchy provides structure and clarity for all enterprise initiatives, enabling projects to be successfully managed and delivered.